What's up, Pyros? 2025 fireworks stash before the 4th. Now we're looking at canister shells. First off, we've got these maximum load. This is the red, white, and blue kit. 6 shots by Cutting Edge. Good little kit. Also get you one of the HDPE launchers. Something I love about Cutting Edge and World Class is their launchers. Then we got the Sir Lancelot kit, which is basically just a 6-pack of Excalibur shells. Also get you the HDPE launcher. Got 2 packs of those. Then I got a pack of Neon Diablo, the 6-pack. I love 6-pack shells because it's a great way to get a lot of different shells from a lot of different companies, not break the bank. And for some reason on the Neon Diablo, when the 6-pack, you get the glitter canister shells. Don't know why they only do it on the 6-pack. Guess it's something to do with cost. Then I've got my Cutting Edge Pure Evil. Also comes in an HDPE tube. The Neon Diablo comes with a fiberglass tube, by the way. There's a look at some of the performance. Then by Fire Factory, Super Stinger 6-inch shells. These shells are supposed to be really killer. There's what the shells do. Six-inch shell, 6-pack, Super Stingers. Then I've got a 12-pack of Great Grizzly Predator XL canister shells. That's what the shells are. And quite frankly, the reason I got a 12-pack is because where I was looking at, they didn't have a 6-pack. That's the reason I got a 12. Yeah. There's what the shells are again. And then finally, the big shell pack by Raccoon, King Dragon. There you see the shells. Awesome graphics on the box. It's Raccoon, what can you say? But that's the canister shells I have so far. Stay safe, Pyros. Peace.